Hello geek and repair fans, welcome to another tutorial from troniccenter.com. Today we will show you how to change SSD Pcie storage drive on 13-inch MacBook Pro Retina display A1502 model. Get your tool ready. Let's begin. Open the bottom case screws. Take the bottom case off. First thing first, unplug the battery. Open the SSD screw. Take the SSD off. Get the new SSD. Tied up the screw. Connect the battery. Turn the bottom case, same position. Now your laptop is ready to start. For your next repair project, please visit us at www.troniccenter.com to find all tools and original pre-owned part for your repair project. We hope you enjoyed this tech episode. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming tech videos. Thank you.